Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for southern Wayne County, northern Sampson County, southeastern Johnston County, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles west of Clinton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. A second thunderstorm, approximately 10 miles to the north, is also capable of producing a tornado. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Clinton around 2:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hudson, Salemburg, Brogden, Roseboro, and Grantham. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Johnston, Sampson, and Wayne.